Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are all enjoying while writing numbers in words. Today, in our maths class, we will learn numbers 71 to 100 in words. Before going to start today's topic, once we will recollect what we have learnt.
Come on, tell me what is this number? Yes, it is 51. Repeat after me the number name. F-I-F-T-Y 50 O-N-E-1 51. Very good. Now what is this number? 26. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 S-I-X 6 26. Repeat after me, children. What is this number? It is 47. Come on, say F-O-R-T-Y 40 S-E-V-E-N 7 47. What is this number, children? 70. Come on, say the spelling. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. Very good. Now what is this number, children? 64. S-I-X-T-Y 60 F-O-U-R 4 64. 39. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 N-I-N-E 9 39.
Today, we are going to learn how to write in words 71 to 100 in the notebook.
Children, I hope you are ready to write numbers in words. Write down first today's date, children. Write down along with me. 27-6-2020. After writing the date, leave one box and write down the heading, children. Come on, start. W-R-I-T-E, write. 71. Write 71. 2. T-O-2. 80. 80. I-N-N. W-O-R-D-S, words. Write 71 to 80 in words. After writing the heading, leave one box, children. Now we have to write these numbers in words. Come on, start. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 O-N-E-1 71. 71 after? Yes, it is 72. Come on, start. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 T-W-O-2 72. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 T-H-R-E-E 3 73. 74. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 F-O-U-R 4 74. 75. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 F-I-V-E 5 75. 75 after? Yes, it is 76. Come on, write down. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 S-I-X 6 76. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 S-E-V-E-N 7 77. Next, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 E-I-G-H-T 8 78. S-E VENTY 70. NINE 9. 79. 79 after which number? Yes, it is 80. Come on, write down 80 number name. EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 80. 80. We wrote 71 to 80 numbers in words. Children, shall we continue down? No. We have to write in another page. Turn the next page of your notebook, children. Come on, start. Leave one box. Leave one box, children, and write down. WRITE, write. 81, 81. 2, 90, 90. In WORDS, words. Write 81 to 90 in words. Children, when you are writing in the notebook, touch the line. Write neat handwriting, children. After writing the heading, leave one box. Now, shall we write number names? Ready? Come on. EIGHTY 80. ONE 81. 81. 81 after? Yes, it is 82. EIGHTY 80. TWO 82. Next, EIGHTY 80. THREE 3. 83. 83 after? Yes, it is 84. Come on, start. EIGHTY 80. FOUR 4. Children, when you are writing, touch the line and write neat handwriting, children. 84. 84. 85. EIGHTY 80. FIVE 5. 85. EIGHTY 80. SIX 6. 86. EIGHTY 80. SEVEN 7. 87. 87 after? Yes, it is 88. Come on, write down. EIGHTY 80. EIGHT 88. 88. 88. EIGHTY 80. NINE 9. 89. 18 after? Yes, it is 90. Come on, write down, children. NINETY 90. NINETY 90. 90. 90. We wrote 81 to 90 in words. Very good, children. Now 91 to 100 we will write in another page. You should not write down here. You should not write here. You have to write on the another page. Come on, start, children. Leave one box. Write down heading. WRITE, write. WRITE, write. 91. 91. 2. 100. 91 to 100. in WORDS, words. Write 91 to 100 in words. Leave one box, children. Come on, start. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. Come on, repeat after me again, children. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. O-N-E-1, 91. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. T-W-O-2, 92. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. T-H-R-E-E, 3, 93. 94. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. F-O-U-R, 4, 94. 94 after? Yes, it is 95. Come on, start. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. F-I-V-E, 5, 95. 96. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. S-I-X, 6, 96. 97. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. S-E-V-E-N, 7, 97. 97 after? Yes, 98. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. E-I-G-H-T, 98. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. E-I-G-H-T, 8, 98. 99. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. N-I-N-E, 9, 99. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Say again, children. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Now, you wrote from 91 to 100. Children, I hope you understood how to write numbers in words from 71 to 100. All of you do once again these numbers, words. Do reading practice. Okay, children? Thank you.